In this video tutorial, we are not going to use the PC. We will be able to recover our device in a very easy and simple way. We always recommend watching the video tutorial step by step to solve this problem. First of all, we are going to turn off the device. We got 5 seconds for it to be completely off. We are going to wait for it to clear. Then we are going to count 5 seconds. And then we are going to press the power button for 5 seconds. We count 5 seconds. After counting counting to 5 seconds, we hold the volume down button. Then when the device starts with the logo, we release both buttons. Release both buttons, then we will enter recovery mode. Now we scroll down with volume down to where it says wipe data factory reset. We go down with power to select. We scroll down with power again to select. Ready now with power on the first option that says reboot system now so that our device can restart. Now what we are going to do is nowadays wait a few seconds until our device restarts completely. When our device fully restarts, we are going to be able to set it up, but let's say it remains with the Google account or security account. In the video description and comments, we have a method to solve this. That's all.